Got this, make that. So you got Greek Freak for the holidays. Now what do you do with it? Greek Freak, one of our best of the best Mediterranean blend. It's orange peel, citrus, garlic, onion, something that you can use in pretty much anything. You can sprinkle it on. We're gonna take 1 tablespoon of Greek Freak. We're gonna take some Graza Drizzle, about 2 cups. Put it into a mason jar, shake it up like a Polaroid picture, and then this is what you're left with. Making an infused olive oil, super, super, super easy. After that, we're just gonna make a vinaigrette for a salad, something super easy that you can do probably with ingredients you have around your house. 1 shallot, dice that up, a couple tablespoons of rice vinegar, 1.5 teaspoons of fish sauce. We're gonna take 1/3 cup of our Greek Freak infused olive oil, whisk them all together, slowly drizzle in that infused olive oil. It's gonna emulsify, leaving you a nice high quality vinaigrette. And then of course, you're just gonna make a salad. That's it. You got that. Make this. Experiment with flavor. I'm going now. Let me eat my salad.